Hey friends, Jeff here. Today I want to talk about a game that can literally change how you see failure. In improv, we don't just deal with mistakes, we celebrate them. And it turns out that's a superpower you can use in your own life. So let's head over to my Pixar buddy who's going to walk you through an exercise you can try today to make failure your new favorite word.
Well, we invented something new.
Most of us hate failing. We avoid it, we fear it, and sometimes we let it stop us before we even start. But what if you could train your brain to not just handle failure, but actually enjoy it? Today, we're going to play a quick improv game that turns mistakes into rocket fuel for personal growth. This one's called Failure Celebration, and trust me, it's simple, safe, and it can work wonders, whether you're flying solo or with friends. The goal here is to rewire your reaction to setbacks. Instead of freezing, cringing, or feeling embarrassed, you start to see them as moments of power. Step 1. Think of something you want to try. Anything. Maybe it's a goofy dance move, a wild business idea, or saying something bold out loud. Step 2. Do it. Go for it with all the confidence you can muster. And here's the twist. The moment it doesn't work out, you throw your hands in the air, grin from ear to ear, and yell, "I failed," like you just won the championship game. Step 3. For extra fun, high-five someone nearby or do a little victory lap. If you're alone, that's fine. You can still strut around the room like you just took home the gold medal. Now, why all the drama? Because your brain has been trained to link failure with embarrassment or shame. We're here to flip that script. In improv, mistakes aren't just okay, they're gold. They mean you took a risk, you created something new, you stepped out of the safe zone. By celebrating failure, you're sending a new message to your brain. Hey, risk-taking feels good. And that little mental rewiring makes you braver the next time. Whether it's on stage, in a meeting, having a tough conversation, or just chasing something you've always wanted to do. So here's your challenge this week. Celebrate every misstep like it's a championship win. If you trip over your words, if your idea falls flat, if something doesn't go the way you planned, throw those hands in the air and cheer for yourself. You'll be amazed at how quickly your relationship with risk changes. And if you want more ways to use improv to boost your confidence, creativity, and adaptability, subscribe and stick around. I'm the Pixar version of Jeff McNabb, and around here we don't just wait for wit to happen, we make it happen.